What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful GLC350e Coupe that we have right in front of us here, and dude, I love this color. This blue is absolutely fantastic. You can see from the shade from the front and then to the back, everything just looks absolutely stunning. I mean, the regular ones that you see are always silver and black and all this kind of stuff, but in this case, dude, it's in this blue and it looks absolutely amazing. So let's start off from the front. Hope you can see what I'm looking at, because right now it's quite shaded, but these are your lights. Very dark finish and quite stunning. And at the bottom here you have your open piece for your bumper, where you get some airflow going on right there. Beautiful look, beautiful design. I like what I see. And you have your amazing Mercedes-Benz starter grille over here. Looks gorgeous indeed. Got some chrome finishing here and there. Number plate holder goes right there, and also at the bottom you get this chrome finish from left to right at the center. So that's amazing indeed. You get your Mercedes-Benz started grille, which looks very stunning indeed. 360 camera at the front, looks good. Your Mercedes-Benz badging right there. Your front bonnet, as you can see, got all these lines, right, to make it look absolutely aggressive. I love it, man. Now for the side, if you move on to the side, it's a 20-inch wheel that comes together with the car. Multi-spoke, two-tone finish, black on the inside, silver on the outside. And the tire size for this car, they're using Continental tires, and the tire size is 255/45 R20, so it does look beautiful indeed. Now you do have your side steps right here, looking good as well. Nice silver color to go in well with the car. You do have your chrome that goes across the whole side of the car. Looks stunning indeed. Side mirror goes right here as well, gorgeous indeed. And door handles are in chrome as well. So let's open up the doors, take a look on the inside. Before that, the roof, as I mentioned, two-tone finish all over the place. You get a glass roof right at the top. This one can actually open up, but in this case the car is not started yet, so you can't really see it. But yeah, half of the back here is in blue, looking good. And for the door side, take a look. Amazing finish. You got this silver finish with this texture-like lining. You get your Burmester sound system, your seat adjustments over there together with your handle to open up the doors, and compartment storage down here as well, so looking good. Mercedes-Benz side plate, AMG wording on the carpet. Black interior, love the seats, they hold you really well and very tight indeed. Looks good. Interior looks fantastic. So let's jump right in, take a look at what we are seeing. So over here you do get your metal weave finish of a dashboard, looking stunning as it can be. Screen looks fantastic as well. I like how they have it huge like this, where it's facing the driver. It's kind of cool. Love the ambient lightings that are located all the way inside the air vents. Looks very nice. Glove compartment, love the ambient lighting. Finish is good. And also you do get your compartment storage for two cup holders, USB-C connectivities, both of them. Wireless charging down here. You get your other compartment storage to keep some stuff. Love the design. The layout looks good. Compartment storage, USB Type-C, some other place for you to keep some stuff. Looking good. Steering wheel looks fantastic, man. Glass roof, as I mentioned, right there. The shade can pop up. All you gotta do is control it through here. Very nice indeed. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seatbelts are in black. Seat looks good. Let's get right down and take a look at the rear. So before we hop right into the rear seats, let us also admire the rear wheels. Now, once again, Continental tires is what they are using. Tire size is 285/40 R20, so multi-spoke is what they're using on this side. The front disc brakes, earlier it was in drill disc brakes, so this one is a solid disc, so look good. Very nice indeed. Rear doors look fantastic. Ambient lighting all over the place. Open up the door handles right here. Compartment storage down there. You have your ambient lighting right here at the door as well, similar to the front. Burmester sound system. You got your shade that you can actually pull it down if you wish to. Looks good. The rear, fantastic indeed for the space that it offers. Love the seat design as well. Seat looks very futuristic and nice. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. Seat belts are in black as well. They're over here. I'm not going to take it out. But yeah, for the back, cup holders, push it again, bam, there you go. Nice indeed. So down here, you get your place to keep some stuff. There's no charger down here, but yeah, it's kind of cool indeed. Looks good. Center view is amazing. And let's move to the center. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the center. Headroom is good. So let's jump right down. And let's go to the rear. So now you do have your amazing looking rear design like this. It's fantastic, man, for a blue car. You get your GLC350e wording right here. You get your 4MATIC wording right there because it's an all-wheel drive. Love the black finish right here in the center. Your lightings are very dark and nice as well. You got this cut right here for the bumper. You got this matte finish like texture for the rear. Chrome finishes all over the place, but your exhaust pipes are right underneath. Okay, hopefully you guys can see it. Looks good. And to open up the rear, you press right there, the badging goes in, and of course this is a plug-in hybrid, so yep, you do get your charger. You do have that shade that you can actually plug in from here to here, so it blocks whatever that you can't really see from there. So looks good. So that and this, and there we go. So space is fantastic, dude, for a car like this. Of course you do get some other storage space hiding right underneath here, but it's gonna be very, very small. But yep, for you to keep some other stuff that is necessary. Amazing space indeed, guys. Looks beautiful. Looks really good. So yeah, let's close down the boot. Very nice. Love the blue. Okay, so let's open up the doors right here on this side and take a look at what we see. So for the driver's side, you do have your memory seats as well. 3 memory seats, unlock, lock, your child lock for the rear windows, your window for front and back, side mirror adjustments, compartment storage down here, boot opening right there, Mercedes-Benz plaque right here, AMG wording right there, and your sport pedals, accelerator and the brake pedals look good. You have your amazing seats that look fantastic in black. I love the steering wheel. Let's hop right in. So the interior of this looks absolutely nice. Seat adjustments, steering adjustments, electronically adjustable. Negative pedal shift, positive pedal shift. Your gear is on this side, drive, reverse and things like that. Signal is on the left side, and your lighting is over here. So good. Handbrake is right there as well. Everything looks good. The car looks fantastic. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the driver's seat. Seatbelt once again in black. Frameless mirrors right there. You get your mirror right here as well. SOS call button over here, and this one right here is to open up the shade. So yeah, cool. So let's on the lights and take a look at the front and what we actually see. So right here you do have your amazing lights, as you can see, man, dude. Love the blue finish that's on the inside with some DRLs that are happening on the outside. Very nice and futuristic looking car. Let's take one cover photo for the front. Looks very cool indeed. Beautiful, man. Now let's hop right into the rear to show you guys how does the back look like with the brake lights, as you can see from here. Some lines right there. Hopefully with some shade you guys can admire it a little bit more. Beautiful finish. Now signal lights, let's turn them on to show it to you guys. They are located right here. First thing that you'll notice is that it's over towards your side mirror down here, and then on this side the top lining goes into your turn indicator, but the bottom 2 white lights still remain and that blue light still remains. So that's really, really sleek and very nice. So about the rear for this car, fantastic looking back. Signal light is good, located right there, and from the back looks very sleek like this. So yeah, cool looking car. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to Hapsing, where you can locate the amazing cars that are located all over the place, dude. Check that out. They're scattered everywhere. Big place to be at. Love the view that you guys get as well. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.